Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm my friend. Today's video is a recipe. I'm doing a mango popsicle recipe. I made this recipe and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's begin. Now I'm putting in some mangoes. You can pick how much mangoes you want. I'm just putting in that much. Now I'm going to put in some ice cream. I put in about 1 scoop of ice cream. You can pick how much ice cream you want to put in though. Now I'm putting in half a cup of milk. Again, you can pick how much milk you want. Now I'm going to blend it. Make sure to get an adult's help if you need help with blending it. Now I'm blending it. There, I'm done blending it. Now I'm going to pour it into the molds. Now I'm going to be pouring this into a measuring cup first because it'll be easier to pour it into the molds because it has the tips. Now I'm pouring it into the molds. After pouring it in, I'm just putting in some mango bits and I'm going to push it down with a skewer. I'm going to do this to every popsicle. I'm just showing you 3, but I'm going to do the other 3 off camera. Now I'm putting on the tops. Now I'm going to freeze these. I'll be back after they're done. I've left these overnight to chill. Now they're frozen and ready to eat. You might need to put it under some hot water so it's easier to take out, or just keep it out for a few minutes. Now I'm going to take out a few and show you how it looks like. I just want to tell you guys that I also made another popsicle video towards the beginning of my channel. There I made different types of popsicles, so make sure to check that out. I'll put the link of the video in the description below. Now let me show you how these look. I'm just going to take out 3. These are how the popsicles look like. The darker areas are the little chunks of mango. Now I'm going to do a taste test. Delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!